Are you seeing the dreaded "we've detected automated behavior on your Instagram account" message? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to fix and get back to using your account normally. So let's get started. Step number 1 is stop any suspicious activities immediately. Cease using third-party apps or bots for liking, following, or commenting. These tools violate Instagram's guidelines and can lead to account restrictions or bans. Stop any bulk actions like mass following, unfollowing, or excessive liking and commenting in a short time. Step number 2 is change your password. If you've used any third-party apps, they may have access to your account. Changing your password ensures that these apps lose access. To change your password, go to Settings, tap Security, and go to Password. And enter your new password. And after changing your password, Instagram will log you out of any suspicious sessions. Step number 3 is switch to a trusted internet connection. Sometimes Instagram flags certain IP addresses, so try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data to see if the restriction lifts. For the last step is to contact Instagram support. If the issue still persists after waiting, or if your account is restricted for a long time, contact Instagram support team through the app. To do this, go to Settings, tap Help, then go to Report a Problem, and just explain the issue. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix "we've detected automated behavior" in your account error. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!